Well, if you're gonna invest at your own risk. I'm just stepping out there and taking a chance with my money. So I'm no professional in this, so don't take my advice, just do your own research. All right, here go what I do. Okay, good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this video. You know, I've been stressing to you guys a lot here, probably in the last 6 months, about Tesla stocks. I'm telling you guys, don't miss out. I won't be posting much more about stocks here on this channel. My other channel is called Hustle Daily or Wiser Daily. I'm trying to figure out which term to use. You guys throw a comment below, Wiser Daily or Hustle Daily. Let me know in the comments what you think. But let me just show you. In 2020, Tesla stocks increased 695%. Let's just say 700%. If you invested $120,000, $125,000 last year, today, at the end of the year of December the 31st, it would have been worth $1 million. That's how Tesla is growing. And I think it's going to continue to grow. If we look at today, I'm going to refresh this. Just look at Tesla today. And if you do, I'm going to see if I can do let's look at the monthly chart. Look at this. We're going to look at December 30th. It was at $694. We'll look at the 31st, $705. If you just look, keep climbing. And this is in 6 days, 7 days. Look at this. Let's see, it didn't give me a number, but today we're looking at it now, it's $172 a share. Just from January the 1st until now, today, it have increased 25%. So if you put $100,000 in 5-6 days ago, it'll be worth $125,000. So you made $25,000 in 1 week. In 1 week. Crazy. And Tesla is going to keep going up. As you can just look at this clicker here. Just look at this. It's already at 872. And I'll be sharing my information on how much I made on my other channel, which is going to either be called Wiser Daily or Hustle Daily. And you can look in the description below or the drop down to go straight to that channel, and also subscribe to that channel. So I will be posting a lot of financial stuff, what I'm investing in, how I'm creating residual income, passive income. So join the other channel. This channel, I'm gonna concentrate more on welding and inspection, because my inspection team are getting upset with me, saying, man, you posting everything except welding stuff. But as you can see, I'm making more money off the stock market. But anyway, subscribe to that other channel. It's called Wiser Daily or Hustle Daily. So you give me your comments on what I should name it. But the link is in the description below or in the drop down. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel also. All right, thanks.